My late husband, Alan Snowdon, began filming his travels in 1958, uniquely capturing Steam's 11th hour, long gone lines, and glimpses of life in the UK and overseas. As a signalling engineer and preservation enthusiast, he was especially informed and passionate about railway operations, but championed all public transport. As Alan aged, his film legacy became a family endeavour. Our son Robin continues the work of sharing Alan's archive here, and I've voiced much of his narration. Please subscribe, as we'll be publishing all of Alan's unseen films here, with many more continental and British journeys coming soon. We treasure your likes, shares and comments supporting the films, especially swapping memories or younger audience feedback, newly discovering a bygone age.